First of all, you need to identify the building plan that is with you. It's either a presentation drawing or a working drawing. A working drawing is the building plan that is being used on site by the construction team, the architects, the engineers, and most of the members of the team. What we are working with here today is a presentation drawing. A building plan actually carries an identification, which is a name tag of the various floors and the spaces which you are looking at. Take for instance, this is a ground floor plan and you can see it illustrated here and written here. You as well see other tags just like we have here as the entrance, foyer, living room, dining, and many more depending on what floor plan and the spaces you are looking at. Of course, from the entrance of every building there will be a door. Here right now is a symbol of a door. This icon here is representing a door, and on the door leaf it actually shows which direction the door is supposed to open to and the type of door. This is a casement window, a single plain casement window. Actually, a casement window is a window that is projected outwards. There are sliding windows, there are double hung windows, but what we are looking at right here is a casement window. Just like I said, a window that you project outwards from your wall. This is a single casement window. You can see how it's represented right here all the way to the end. Whereas here right here is a double casement window. A double casement window, you can see the difference. This projects all the way to the end, and right here you can have a breaking in the middle that shows you that you're meant to have two casement windows. Now we do this in situations whereby you have a wide window and you have a very short window. Now, so that window can have, depending on the width, can have double or triple casements, or a short window that can just have a single projection. Let's keep all these other functions that you're seeing here and components. These are chairs, carpet, rugs, and all that. Let's go all the way into the building where we can identify the stairs. This right here is called the staircase. Note that there's a difference between a staircase and steps. Steps are usually those single ones that you have at the entrance of your buildings. They go in a way like 4 or 5 steps where you have your stairs and your risers and your tread. This is your staircase. For the purpose of this video, let's say that this is the ladder that you climb from one floor to the other. Example, you want to go all the way from the ground floor where you have your living room and your kitchen, and to the first floor, other floors where you have bedrooms and other spaces. Let's say now the ladder where you go follow from ground floor all the way up. This is the ladder where you go follow. This is called the staircase. Identify it by the direction it goes and the multiple layers on how it moves. This is your staircase. Another thing that we've adopted in Nigeria now is, apart from your house having stairs, you can also have lifts to take you to the multi-level that you have in your house. This is a lift. This is called a lift shaft. A lift shaft is a vertical shaft in a building through which the lift moves from one level to the other. If you want, you fit call them house of the lift, because now him they carry the lift itself. Gong. So guys, we can stop here, because if you want to identify all the basics that is on a presentation floor plan, there are so many things to look into and so many things to talk about. For the purpose of this video, we can stop right here where we just stop. We've identified the basics, the doors, the types of doors. We've identified 2 types of doors, and then note that there's a door swing that tell you which side your door opens to. We have identified windows, we have identified stairs, we have identified lifts. So we can stop right here. Later on we can look at functionality and proper things to do and to know about your floor plan.